Today I'm going to demonstrate PCR Educator's summer camp or summer school registration. Built directly into your school's existing database, a summer program adds a separate division to your school. Here you can see the summer program's webpage of my fictitious school. The school controls access to this page by placing a link to the summer programs on the school website for the general public or in the parent portal so only existing families can enroll. If I was an existing parent at the school, I could simply select Login for existing users using my same username and password as the parent portal and select the camps I wanted. However, to show the full functionality of the summer camp registration, I'm going to register for camp as if my child is not a current student at the school. The summer registration was built to allow both existing and new students to register online. I begin by creating a new user. Then I must provide my child's information. When I click Submit, I'm then taken to a page requesting my household and parent information. Here you will notice that all required information is in bold, and the system will not let me proceed unless this information is provided. Similar to the admissions inquiry online, the summer camp registration walks parents through the process of entering required and/or optional camper and household information. This allows schools to collect all the essential information needed for their summer program. This application was set up to inquire about secondary households. Since this does not apply to my child and there are no required fields, I can skip this page. Next, the school asks additional information about my child, such as t-shirt size and the school my child is currently attending. Here on the left-hand side, you can see how the system tracks my progress for registering for camp, similar to that of the inquiry online, by listing the steps I've already completed with a check mark, and shows the steps that I'm currently on. Next, the school is asking me to provide emergency contact information. As you can tell from this screen, the school is requiring me to at least add one contact. Now I am prompted to provide my child's doctor name and phone number. The school is also asking for any additional medical information I feel the school needs to know about. It is up to the school to decide what questions to ask and what information is required to enroll. Before I'm allowed to complete the registration process, I'm required to sign an electronic form giving consent to various questions and topics. Similar to the online enrollment contract, the required authorizations is set by the school and is customizable to meet the needs of the school. What you see here is just a sample form that was created for this demonstration. Here, I'm able to provide information to the school of other people authorized to pick up my child. The camp selection screen is where I select the camps or programs I want to enroll my child. It is important to note that only the camps my child is eligible for appear on this screen. Schools have the ability to limit enrollment in a camp or program by creating parameters such as gender, grade level, age, and the total number of students per camp. When I hover my cursor over a camp name, details and/or additional information is displayed. Schools also have the ability to create web pages with additional camp information for each camp, similar to course pages in a teacher portal. In that case, the camp name would be a link opening a new page with more detailed information. Each school has the ability to customize how the camp selection appears. In this application, we see the camps available for my child, the number of spots remaining, dates and times of the camp, and any associated fees. The system automatically tracks the availability of each camp and any conflicts in scheduling. For example, I can register for as many camps as I want, but if I select two camps that overlap in day and time, the system will display a warning message that a conflict exists and will not let me proceed. When I am done, I can click the Submit, which will take me to a summary page, or click Make Selections for Siblings to enroll my other children. Dependent upon how a camp is set up, schools can require a deposit, payment in full, or provide parents with the option to be billed. If a school provides discounts or coupons for its summer programs, the school can set it up to automatically calculate the discount based upon a certain criteria or issue discounts manually by providing parents with a waiver code. As seen here, the school gave me a 10% early bird discount since I'm registering for camp before a specified date. I was also given a $90 gift certificate from the school to be applied towards summer camps. By entering a code given to me by the school, I can add another discount to my bill. As you can see here, it shows all the camps that I have registered for, the associated fees, and the discounts that were applied, giving me the total amount due. Below that, I see a list of my summer camps that require a deposit and the amount that is due at this point in time. The available payment options include credit card, e-check, through an approved payment gateway such as Diamond Mine, Network Merchant, and Authorize.net. If only a deposit is required at the time of registration, a school can set up a payment schedule to withdraw the remaining balance at a certain point in time in the future. The summer school camp integrates with the finance module and automatically generates invoices and receipts. If you do not want the summer program transactions to post to the school's general ledger, create a separate ledger in finance for summer programs. When I click the Submit button, I'm taken to a thank you page showing my balance and my child's registered camps. At the same time, the system automatically sent me a personalized email. Here you see the email sent to me by the school thanking me for my payment and receipt detailed information such as reference number, amount paid, and the date. I also receive an email from the merchant showing how much was charged to my card and a transaction ID. The email from the school also includes a link which takes me back to the system to view my child's camps and again the balance. For more information about our summer programs product, please contact PCR Educator.